Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun as opposed to specialized items and administrations. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any trace of basics. Image coins don't serve true use and have no pragmatic utility like other cryptographic forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high flow. The majority of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small part of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the subject Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious cryptographic forms of money, however the fame of Dogelon Mars Elon has at last expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and component for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1, you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars Elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The verifiable information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was loaded with linguistic and spelling mistakes, which had ultimately become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was floated on the web. Afterward, two programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the Dogecoin to jab the serious other crypto tokens available for use. Outline of Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is a relatively new image coin, which is a fork of Dogecoin. Dogecoin portrays itself as an interplanetary cash. The subject is characterized as mankind turns into a multi-planetary animal types and send-off of the coin as a mission to Mars. There is a tomfoolery character behind each image token, so it is right here, Dogelon, a rocket-wearing K9. Dogelon Mars itself alluded to as an intergalactic cache. The name Dogelon came after the capital city of Mars and is articulated as K9 Elon. Dogelon Mars is an all-inclusive cache for individuals. That's what Dogelon Mars asserts. Dissimilar to other image tokens, Dogelon Mars will continually be getting to the next level. An animation K9 in a spacesuit concocting his story is the wonderful portrayal of Dogelon Mars on its site. Dogelon Mars digital currency. The digital currency of Dogelon Mars is known as Elon, which is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain sent off in April 2021. It is named Elon, and the name came after Elon Musk. He is a fan and financial backer of Dogecoin. It has respectable tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded in major decentralized trades with abundant symbolic matches. Elon/USDT market pair is accessible on Linux. Record can be opened through name or email address on such trades. Dogelon Mars digital money is viral via web-based entertainment and has got media publicity. Individuals began putting resources into the token. In October, Dogelon Mars Elon cost rose more than 40x times and gave a huge return. Then, at that point, it moved into 150th position as far as market cap. Specialized investigation of information shows Dogelon Mars followed the path of Shiba Inu for token circulation. A big part of the tokens were shipped off via Buterin. Afterward, Buterin gave his commitment to noble cause and the coronavirus alleviation asset. By this, Dogelon Mars designers guaranteed fair conveyance of the coin all along. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2022. Dogelon Mars expectation predicts a most extreme cost of Dogelon Mars of $0.0000127 before the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0.0000121. The Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast 2022 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars Coin Forecast 2023. In view of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0.0000143. The greatest Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2023 is $0.0000144. The typical cost is $0.0000133. Our Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation ought not be considered as a venture exhortation to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Forecast 2024. As indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0.0000165. The typical cost of Elon could reach $0.0000140. Value expectations predict Elon needs to arrive at an end cost of $0.0000195. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. Elon value forecasts are expected to begin at $0.0000194. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.0000191. A future cost of $0.0000032 toward the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Subsequently, the Elon cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is extensive for venture north of a 5-year time period. Since it is characterized as a fair widespread digital money, there was no pre-sale of tokens. 1 quadrillion, 10 trillion, coins have been made subsequent to sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured Uniswap liquidity pool as Elon and ETH pair. Then, at that point, it is locked until the end of time. The chance of introductory liquidity drawdown was taken out from the huge potential gain push of October 2021. The market cap flooded from $26 million on October 1, 2021 to $1.19 million by October 30, 2021. At the point